आज बड़ा है ना बाबा। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वालेकुम सलाम।
अगर मेरा वीडियो ऑन रहता है दिखता नहीं मेरा फोटो।
जी बैक कलर है।
Will we start the class, please? Shall we start the class, please?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. First session we have discussed about basics of the chapter reflection of light at curved surfaces. Now we will discuss about how to draw the diagrams and how to take it forward. I have taken a compass. I have taken a scale. So I will take a sheet. I'll take a white paper or a book to draw the diagram. I can draw the diagram like this, but for everybody's, I am going for a new sheet and I'm going to draw a diagram on a full scale. నేను ఒక పెద్ద షీట్ తీసుకొని బొమ్మ గీయబోతున్నాను. All of you understand, you can draw the diagram yourself. This is a plain sheet. I have taken a scale. Then with this scale, I am drawing a line whose length is almost 20 centimeter. I have taken a paper and drawn a line of length 20 centimeter. The midpoint of this, I have marked it as 10 centimeter. I have taken the center of this 10 centimeter. So this length is 10 centimeter from here to here. 20 centimeter is full length. Now I will take half of this. What is half of 10? Maybe 5 centimeter. So from here to here it is how much? 5 centimeter. Now what I will do is I will take a compass. I am taking compass. With the help of a scale, I am taking a radius of, let's say 10 centimeter. 20 centimeter पूरा length है, मैं उसका आधा ले रहा हूँ. Let's say 10 centimeter. So I am measuring 10 centimeter on the scale with the help of my compass. I will put this onto the center. I'll put it onto the center and draw an arc. I'm drawing an arc. I can draw this side or I can draw this side, whatever it is. You can draw on either side. So I have drawn an arc. If I coat it outside, it becomes a concave mirror. If I coat it inside, it becomes a convex mirror. मैं क्या करूँ? बाहर coating कर दूँ. This is how I draw a concave mirror. This line is called as principal axis. Please, all of you mute your audio. How many times should I tell? So this is nothing but my arc, and I have coated it on one side, so it has become a concave mirror. Concave mirror मैं draw कर दिया. अब the center point from where I have drawn is called as center of curvature. This is your center of curvature. That is also clear. Now after that, from center of curvature to this 10 centimeter is nothing but radius of curvature. The center point of this is called as F, called as focus at 5 centimeter, and the one on the mirror is called as P, called as pole of the mirror. Now we have to understand what is ray diagram. We have to understand what is ray diagram. ray diagram बोले तो क्या? ray diagram అంటే ఏంటి? రే అంటే లైట్ రే. इंसिडेंट रे కావచ్చు, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे కావచ్చు, नॉर्मल కావచ్చు. इंसिडेंट हो सकता, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे हो सकता, नॉर्मल हो सकता. उसका डायग्राम ऑफ रेस. डेफिनेशन क्या है? व्हाट इज रे डायग्राम? डायग्राम ऑफ रेस. रेस के डायग्राम डाले तो रे डायग्राम बोलते हैं. रे डायग्राम डालने के लिए वी हैव सम रूल्स. देयर आर ओनली 3 रूल्स. रूल्स टू ड्रॉ रे डायग्राम. The first rule says if the incident ray is drawn parallel to principal axis. ఇప్పుడు ఒక ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే మనం ప్యారలల్ గా డ్రా చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? సో ఐ విల్ టేక్ ఎ స్కేల్. ఐ కెన్ డ్రా ద రే ప్యారలల్. పైన కానీ కింద కానీ డ్రా చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఐ కెన్ డ్రా అప్ ఆర్ ఐ కెన్ డ్రా బిలో. నేను అప్పుడు రే డ్రా చేస్తున్నాను. I have just drawn a line. It is still not a ray. రే అంటే దానికి ఆరో ఉండాలి. లోపల వెళ్తే కనుక ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే, अंदर जा रहा होता है इंसिडेंट रे. If the incident is ray is drawn parallel बोलते क्या? इसके और प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के बीच में गैप सेम है. That is called parallel. If the incident ray is drawn parallel to principal axis, तो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे क्या होता? फोकस से बाहर निकलता. The reflected ray, green one, is coming out through focus. Focus నుంచి బయటికి వస్తుంది. దాని సెంటెన్స్ ఎలా రాయాలా? ఒక ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే ప్యారలల్ గా కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ మీద పడితే కనుక రిఫ్లెక్టెడ్ రే ఏమవుతుంది? ప్యారలల్ గా బయటికి వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఏమవుతుంది? ఫోకస్ నుంచి బయటికి వస్తుంది. If the अगर इंसिडेंट रे अगर पैरेलल है प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस को तो रिफ्लेक्टेड रे क्या हो जाता? फोकस से जा रहा. If the incident ray is gone parallel to principal axis, then reflected ray is passing through principal focus. Now the उल्टा, इसका उल्टा करना, దీనికి उल्टा చేయాలా? उल्टा ఎలా చేయాలా? If the incident ray is parallel is passing through focus, focus నుంచి వెళ్తే కనుక I will draw one more. ఇందులోనే డ్రా చేయకుండా నేను ఇంకో బొమ్మ గీస్తాను. ఫోకస్ నుంచి వెళ్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను రెడ్ తోటి ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేశాను. యారో పెట్టాను. ఇందు నుంచి పైకి వెళ్తుంది. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్తుంది? ఫోకస్ నుంచి వెళ్తుందా లేదా? ఫోకస్ జారా నేనా? इफ द इंसिडेंट रे इज गोइंग थ्रू प्रिंसिपल फोकस, फोकस से थ्रू गया तो क्या हो जाता? पैरेलल हो जाता, उसका उल्टा. देन द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे is parallel to principal axis. When the reflected ray is parallel to principal axis. ఇలాగా అన్నమాట. ఫస్ట్ రూల్ ఏంటి? If the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, then the reflected ray is passing through focus. Rule number 2, if the incident ray is passing through focus, then the reflected ray is parallel to principal axis. अगर इंसिडेंट रे पैरेलल है तो फोकस से जा रहा, अगर इंसिडेंट रे फोकस से जा रहा तो पैरेलल हो जा रहा. One is opposite of second. Rule number 1, rule number 2 खत्म. Now rule number 3, if the incident ray is passing through center of curvature, center of curvature से गया तो let me draw. I am using a pencil to draw. Incident ray is passing through center of curvature. See the light line drawn with pencil. ఎక్కడి నుంచి వెళ్తుంది? सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर నుంచి వెళ్తుంది. कहां से जा रहा? सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर जा रहा कि नहीं जा रहा? मिरर के ऊपर पड़ रहा नहीं पड़ रहा? मिरर पे पड़ते क्या होता? रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाता. If the incident is passing through center of curvature, incident ray is passing through center of curvature. If it is passing center of curvature, arrow పెట్టాలనా లేదా? Put the arrow also. Then what happens? Reflected ray will come back in the same path. అదే డైరెక్షన్ రిటర్న్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. This is rule number 3. If the incident ray is passing through center of curvature, then the reflected ray comes back in the same direction, same path. Rule number 1, if the incident ray is parallel to principal axis, the reflected ray passes through focus. अगर incident ray principal axis को parallel है तो reflected ray क्या होता? Principal focus से वापस आ जाता. Second rule क्या है? If the incident ray is parallel to is passing through focus, तो क्या होता? Reflected ray is coming is parallel to principal axis. Third rule क्या है? If the incident ray is passing through center of curvature, then the reflected ray comes back in the same path. These are the 3 important rules that I have drawn. These are the 3 important rules. Now with this, we can help ourselves to draw ray diagram. దీంతోటి మనం ray diagram draw చేసుకోవచ్చు. ray diagram draw చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటే we have to understand few more points. Object అంటే ఏంటి? Image అంటే ఏంటి? For example, I am standing in front of, నేను మిమ్మల్ని నిల్చున్నాను. That means I am real. మీరు నాకు తాకొచ్చు, आप मेरे को छू सकते, समझ सकते, real. But if I see myself in mirror, ఈ మిర్రర్ లో మనం చూసుకోగలిగితే, if you see the person inside, దాని లోపల ఎవరు చూస్తున్నారో, that is not real, because you cannot catch him. దాన్ని మనం పట్టుకోలేము. We cannot catch him. Because we cannot catch him, that particular one is called as virtual image. If you can catch hold of it, you call it real. उसको हम नहीं पकड़ सकते. उसको नहीं पकड़ सकते means that is virtual. जो पकड़ सकते उसको हम real बोलते हैं. So images are of 2 types. एक real हो सकता, एक virtual हो सकता. Images are of how many types? 2 types. One is real image. The second one is virtual image. Images can be of how many types? 2 types. One is real image. The other is virtual image. Real means what? Which can be caught. इसको पकड़ सकते. Where do you catch? We can catch on the screen. What is virtual image? You cannot catch on the screen. Screen में पట్టుकोलेमो, screen में नहीं पकड़ सकते. Second type of image classification. और ये जो classification है image का, erect, और एक दूसरा नाम है inverted. So let's say this is your object. Nib ऊपर है and base is bottom. If the image is coming just like this, or it can be like this, ulta, ulta pulta, ऊपर नीचे हो गया. If it is like this, then you call it erect. If it is like this, you call it as inverted. For example, if this is your object, it is coming like this only, then you call it as erect, straight. Erect is another name is straight, straight ga undi. Ila vastundi. That means you call it inverted, ulta, ulta ho gaya. For example, this is your object. Like this only it is coming. You say it is as erect. If it is coming like this, you call it as inverted. Inverted matlab ulta, reverse rawala. Erect means straight. Inverted means ulta. Now the third important property is nothing but we have another two classifications. One is enlarged and diminished. Enlarged means what? Small is becoming big. For example, this is a small spoon. Let's say this is a bigger one. Small, big. You know the difference. Chota bada. Chinnadi peddadi. Ippudu, if you see this pencil and this pencil, this is bigger one. This is smaller one. Okay. If it is coming like this, inverted. If it is coming like this, erect. Same la consists erect. This is big one. Peddaga undi. It's chota hai. So enlarged means what? Big in size. Diminished means what? Small in size. So these are the three important properties of images. One property is nothing but real virtual. Second property is nothing but erect inverted. Third property is nothing but enlarged diminished. Now to draw the ray diagram, first what we did, we draw a line. మనం ఒక లైన్ డ్రా చేస్తున్నాం. సమ్ లెంత్ దాని మధ్యలో ఒక చుక్క పెట్టుకున్నాం. 50% డిస్టెన్స్. 20 centimeter అయితే 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter 5 centimeter. అక్కడ నుంచి ఏం చేసాము? By putting a compass, we have drawn an arc. మనం ఏం చేసాము? ఆర్క్ డ్రా చేసాం. I have drawn an arc. After drawing an arc, what did I do? నేను ఒక పక్క కోటింగ్ ఇచ్చాను. Outside. So which mirror it has become? It has become a concave mirror. Now what are the points? ఒక పాయింట్ వచ్చేసి pole. Second point, center of curvature. Third, మధ్యలో ఉన్న పాయింట్ ఏంటి? Principal focus. These are the 3 points. Now we have to position the object. Object ఎక్కడ పెట్టొచ్చు? Object can be anything. Object can be anything. Object ఏదైనా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. For example, నేను ఇలా ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెట్టాను. arrow. నేను ఒక టార్చ్ లాగా కూడా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. That is an object. Or I can put a doll as an object. You can put different types of objects. For our understanding, నేను ఒక చిన్న arrow పెడతాను. Simple arrow. That is my object. That is my object. నేను ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలా? मैं ఆబ్జెక్ట్ कहाँ रखना? इस एक्सिस पे रखना. I have to put it on axis. ఈ యాక్సిస్ పైన పెట్టాలి. ఈ యాక్సిస్ పైన పెట్టాలనుకుంటే ఎక్కడ పెట్టొచ్చు? 1 పొజిషన్ at infinity. చాలా దూరం పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. बहुत दूर रखो. Infinity. बहुत दूर. इसके बाद कहाँ रख सकते? If you just think, ask the student will answer you. हम कहाँ रख सकते? कहाँ रख सकते? 2-3 बार पूछो. Student will say. C से थोड़ा आगे. We call it as beyond C. First position किधर है? बहुत दूर. Infinity. Second position क्या है? Beyond C. Third position क्या है? At C. C के ऊपर. C के किधर भी रखो इधर. एक्कर बैठना beyond C. Here, anywhere beyond C. बहुत दूर रख दिया तो क्या होता है? Infinity. Third position एक्कर between C and F. Between what? C and F. Now the fourth position. On F or at F. On F below, at F below. You can use your own English. No problem. You will get full marks. Next. between F and P. Between F and P. These are the positions. इनके पेट को अच्छा और कहीं रख सकते हैं या कहीं भी नहीं रख सकते. First infinity, second beyond C, third at C, fourth between C and P, between C and F, fifth at F, between F and P, sixth one. All 6 positions are clear. Now to draw the ray diagram, we have to again go for our own methods. What is that our own method? Don't remember the table. Don't make students to remember the table. As I told, students have lost almost 30 to 60% memory. పిల్లలు 30 to 60% memory పోగొట్టుకున్నారు because of their own other activities. వాళ్ళకి वेदर एक्टिव చాలా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి उनके बेकार एक्टिव ज्यादा है बल्कि लोग अपना मेमोरी खो दिए. उनको मेमोरी नहीं है. So we have to depend only on small memory. We are working only 30% of students memory. We have better memory for better than them. अब आपको तो थोड़े tables याद हैं, उनको वो tables भी याद नहीं. లెక్కలు కూడా వారు గుర్తుండవు. They use calculators. They use their own cell phones. So we are better having memory. They don't have memory now. So we are working on 30% memory. So what you do is again draw a line of గీత గీసుకోండి. 20 centimeter length. ఆ తర్వాత మధ్యలో ఒక సెంటర్ పాయింట్ తీసుకోండి. Just like this, as I've drawn in the previous case. Then the center point is called as C, center of curvature. Then take the compass. Measure it half the distance. If length is 20 centimeter, then 50 distance ఎంత ఉంటుంది 10 centimeter తీసుకోండి. अगर 10 लिए तो 5 लियो. Put your compass on the center and draw an arc. I have drawn the arc. Now coat it. उसको क्या करो, coating कर दो. బయట వైపు కోటింగ్ చేసేయండి. Then it becomes what? Concave mirror. Concave mirror అయిపోయింది. గీత గీసి దానికి ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్. जो लाइन डाले उसका बोलते हैं प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस बोलते हैं. Now I have to draw the diagram. Diagram draw करने के लिए let me take one position. Let us take beyond C. हम क्या करेंगे? Beyond C को object को रखेंगे. I have put the object where? Beyond C. C के बाहर, C के आगे, C से दूर. Beyond C. Then I want to draw the diagram. We can use 3 rules. Our more rules no ఏదైనా rule వాడుకోవచ్చు. I'm using first rule. Rule number 1. Rule number ही use करना जरूरी नहीं, कोई भी rule use कर सकते हैं. For my understanding, I'm using rule number 1. Rule number 1 I'm using, and I'm taking a different color pen to draw an incident ray. What is rule number 1? If the incident ray is drawn parallel to principal axis, always draw it from the head. उसके सर के ऊपर से डालो. దాని తల మీద నుంచి డ్రా చేయండి. నేనేం చేశాను, గీత గీసాను. ఆరో పెట్టాను కాబట్టి ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే. ఆరో ఎటు పక్క ఉంది, మిర్రర్ పైన పడుతుంది. ఇన్సిడెంట్ రే ఇస్ parallel to principal axis. Then what happens? Reflected ray will come back through focus. Focus ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? ఇక్కడ మధ్యలో ఒక సెంటర్ పాయింట్ ఉంది చెప్పాను అంతకు ముందు. Focus is between pole and center of curvature మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది. Then it is coming through focus. So put a scale touching the point of contact and focus like this. Put like this and just draw a line. Arrow coming out is called as reflected ray. Arrow going inside is called incident ray. Incident పెట్టాను, reflected బయటికి వచ్చేసింది. Now what I have to do? I have to go for one more. నేను ఇంకోటి పెట్టాలి. Passing through focus. Focus నుంచి draw చేయాలి. That is about rule number 2. If the incident ray is passing through focus, so put your head and focus like this. ఇలా అన్నమాట. इंसिडेंट रे ड्रॉ చేయాలంటే हेड से और फोकस के थ्रू स्केल को फिक्स करो. उसके बाद क्या करो, आप एक रे ड्रॉ करो. So I have drawn one more incident ray. Incident ray is passing through focus. Then reflected, what happens? It comes back in the parallel. Parallel आ जाता वो return. So this is how you have to draw. This is how parallel. Parallel draw करना हो तो कैसा करना? Principal axis को parallel scale रख देना. I am slowly helping you to draw so that you don't remember the table. I am using now brown color only. Now see here, the reflected ray is coming back in the reverse direction. उल्टा जा रहा, bounce back हो जा रहा, reflect हो जा रहा. If the incident ray is passing through focus, then the reflected ray is coming parallel to principal axis. Where is the meeting point? You just mark that. That is the meeting point. Head is above. Now head is coming below. Head is coming below. So my image is coming down. My image is coming down. This is my image. Now what are the properties of image? Number one, height chota ho gaya. Height chinna gayipindi. Second point, inverted only. If the object is like this, image is like this. If the object is like this, image is coming like this. It is big size, this is small in size. Where is the image coming? Between C and F. Between C and F. Beyond C pette, between C and F. Beyond C rakhe to kahan tha? Between C and F. No remembering required. Just draw the diagram, you'll get the answer. You'll get the answer. So this is how I get a ray diagram for one particular position. నేను ఒక పొజిషన్ కి మిమ్మల్ని రే డయాగ్రామ్ ఎలా డ్రా చేయాలో చూపించాను. ఇలాగే మీరు ఏ బొమ్మను డ్రా చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఐ విల్ షో యూ వన్ మోర్ డయాగ్రామ్. దెన్ బియాండ్ దట్ ఆల్ ద డయాగ్రామ్ మిగతా మీరే డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేసుకోవచ్చు. టు డ్రా డయాగ్రామ్స్ టేక్ ఎ స్కేల్ అగైన్. మళ్ళీ స్కేల్ తీసుకోండి. విత్ దట్ స్కేల్ you just draw a straight line of 20 centimeter in length. Then take the central point 10 centimeter, take one more point, center point 5 centimeter. I have drawn a line and taken 4 points, end points and majorly 2 points. One is called as C, center of curvature. One is called as C, center of curvature. Second one, the end point is called as P for pole. P for pole. Majjalo na point. It is called as focus. It is called as focus. Now what you do? Again take the compass. Again take the compass. Measure 10 centimeter with the help of the scale. దాని మీద 10 centimeter measure చేసుకోండి. Then put this on the center of curvature. దీన్ని ఎక్కడ పెట్టాలి? Center of curvature పైన పెట్టాలి. Put this on the center of curvature. Then draw the arc. Then draw the arc. It will definitely pass through focus. అది ఎలా అవుతుందంటే it will definitely pass through pole. Pole నుంచి వెళ్తుంది. This is how you draw. Now after this drawing, what will I do? I have to coat it. मैं बाहर की तरफ coating कर देना. So which mirror is this? Concave mirror. Which mirror is this? Concave mirror. The line is called principal axis. Pole is there, focus is there, center of curvature is this. Now what I will do is I can put my object between C and F. I am taking second example or any other example. आप कुछ भी example ले सकते हैं. I am showing you one more diagram. You should be able to draw all the 6 diagrams. I am putting my object between C and F. C, F.
Sorry for interruption. Sir,
Yeah. I'm just putting the object between C and F. I'm putting the object between.
hello, sir, am I audible?
Yes.
Sir, can you please show the diagram for the ray diagram for an object is placed between pole and focus?
So I have put my object between C and F. The object is between C and F. And what I will do is I will draw one parallel. Rule number 1. First, draw a line parallel to principal axis. Arrow going inside is parallel to principal axis. Then what happens? As per the rule, the reflected ray should come back to focus. Focus नीचे बैठी करा वाला, focus से बाहर आना चाहिए. आप ऐसे स्केल को मैप कर लो, फिक्स कर लो, then you draw the line. So I have drawn it. Incident ray brown color, reflected ray with violet color or blue color. Now second rule, I have to pass incident ray through focus. Head with focus. ये रेंडो मैच చేసుకోవాలి. Head से focus को मिलाओ. Now put the line. The incident ray is passing through focus. तो क्या हो जाता? The reflected ray is parallel to principal axis. To draw parallel, again you have to put the scale like this. I'm just showing you. Step by step I'm showing you so that you can draw all the diagrams. You can draw all the diagrams. This is my reflected ray. This is my reflect. Where is the point? The meeting point is here. Now head is coming again down. Head is coming again down. So my image is like this. My image is like this. If you just compare the previous diagram with this diagram, you are just getting opposite of that. एक याद रख ले, दूसरा automatically याद हो जाता. If the object is beyond C, the image is coming between C and F. Between C and F. If the object is between C and F, opposite. Where is the image coming? Beyond C. Where is the image coming? Beyond C के बाहर आ रहा. Now how is the image? उधर क्या था? Diminished था. अब इधर क्या बड़ा है? Diminished and चिन्ह दी. And enlarged means big one. Now the image is bigger than the object size. Therefore, it is enlarged. Next case, inverted or not erect, it is inverted. Is it in the mirror? Is the image coming in front of the mirror? Yes, it is coming in front of the mirror. If it goes inside the mirror, mirror low part help होता है क्या? We call it virtual. इसके अंदर गया तो virtual आता है. इधर आता नहीं आता. This is how we draw the diagram. One teacher asked me how to draw the diagram if I put between F and P. Probably Sami asked. Sami बहुत डर लग रहा है क्या आपको इमेज ड्रा करने के वास्ते? Okay, again I'll take a scale.
डर नहीं, बस पूछ रहा था कि मैं थोड़ा रेस में था कैसा लगा.
अरे इफ्तिखार सर को आता कि नहीं आता कि देखेंगे. Okay.
रेस में थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन है इसीलिए पूछा.
No problem, no problem. I'm just kidding. अपन खाली पढ़ाते रहे तो नहीं आता, थोड़ा मजाक भी करना ना.
Okay.
Okay. I am drawing a straight line. फिर से मैं straight line draw करा. End point P बोल रहा हूँ. बीच का point 10 सेंटीमीटर पे आप क्या करो? 10 सेंटीमीटर पे क्या करो? फिर से एक और एक पॉइंट लगा लो C बोल के. फिर एक 5 सेंटीमीटर पे और एक पॉइंट लगा लो. Hope all of you will understand. इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है. F. P, F and C are the important points. So again use the compass. Again use the compass. Same 10 centimeter. क्योंकि same मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ. Again draw the arc. इसे क्या करो? Arc draw करो. I have drawn the arc. Same mechanical exercise. उसके बाद क्या करो? बाहर की तरफ कोटिंग कर दो. Then it has become a concave mirror. वो क्या बन गया? Concave mirror. जल्दी ड्रॉ करेंगे because time is going off. Now we have to put the object. Object कहाँ रखना है? P और F के बीच में रखना है. P और F के बीच में रखना है. I put the object between P and F. Now I'll put an incident ray parallel to principal axis. क्या करेंगे अपन? Principal axis को parallel draw करेंगे. Good. I have drawn incident ray parallel to principal axis. उतना छोटा डाल सकते, दूर से भी डाल सकते. It is not necessary to draw that small. We can draw it from far also. Parallel, दूर से बता सकते हैं आप. This is parallel. Hope I am clear. Then what happens? Reflected ray passes through focus. Reflect क्या हो जाता? Focus से चले आता. So again scale लगाओ and join and put this scale like this. ऐसे scale रखो. Then draw a line. Clear. The second point is incident ray should pass through focus. Focus से जाना. अब आगे focus नहीं है. Focus is behind. अब कैसे डालना? फिर दर दिए. So what you do is head को focus से match करो. Head को just like the previous case. Just match head with focus. Just match head with focus. It is matching or not? It's very much matching. Now draw a line. I use the same blue color. I have drawn a line. The arrow going inside means incident ray. Arrow ekkana petkochu. सामने डालना जरूर है, पीछे भी डाल सकते हैं. Arrow arrow है ना. Direction is on the mirror. अब क्या हो जाना? Parallel हो जाना. Now put a parallel line. Now you got the parallel line. Are they meeting? They are not meeting. You are not able to draw the diagram. Diagram नहीं डाल सकते because if you see these two brown lines, they are going ahead. वो लोग क्या फैल जा रहे हैं? अभी इनकी दूर వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాయి. फैल जा रहे हैं. They are going far away. They are not meeting. So what you have to do is we have to extend it behind. इसको पीछे लेके जाओ. इसको पीछे लेके जाओ. If you extend it behind, more 4 minutes, just follow me carefully. I'm just extending it behind. I'm taking the help of another paper to extend it because I have drawn at the edge. Edge में draw कर इसलिए नहीं हो रहा. I'm taking another sheet to extend it. See, straight parallel extended or not? Yes, extended. I will extend the other one. నేను ఇంకోటి extend చేసుకుంటాను. दूसरा भी मैं extend कर रहा हूँ. See here, I have extended both the lines, both the reflected. They are meeting at one point. Are they meeting or not? Yes, they are meeting. Now there the image is formed. There the image is formed. So I extend the principal axis also. And principal axis for extend చేసుకుంటాను. Now I am drawing my image. This is my image. This is my image. It is inside the mirror. Mirror के अंदर है. Virtual image, erect image, enlarged image. Virtual भी है, enlarged भी है, और erect भी है. State है only. Sorry. Virtual, erect, and enlarged. Virtual because it is going inside the mirror. Erect because it is straight. Enlarged because it is big. Any questions, please? More 2 minutes.
Sir, could you explain about center of curvature?
The center through which you are drawing the mirror. The center through which ఈ center తీసుకొని మనం draw చేస్తున్నాం కదమ్మా. This particular point is called center of curvature. Radius of curvature, ఆ radius ఎంత తీసుకున్నా అదే radius of curvature. Next question, please.